Getting mainstream users on-chain is quick, easy, and affordable with Intu. The Intu SDK is built directly into your application, whether that's in browser, in app, or a backend service. Your user can create a true on-chain account using any familiar Web2 method, in this case, Google Sign-On. Notice there is no wallet, no seed phrase, and no gas, only one click from your user. While your user is providing their basic information for your dApp, the Intu SDK uses cutting-edge cryptography to create a dynamic MPC-enabled blockchain account with a static, consistent public address. One permanent identifier for your user to interact with your smart contracts. The code for this demo is freely available on Intu's GitHub and highlights a standard 2 of 3 configuration with hybrid account custody. It is deployed on the Skale network, but Intu is chain agnostic, supporting all EVM chains. With the Intu account created, your user can now interact directly with the blockchain. In this case, claiming an NFT sword for a game. The SDK creates a standard signature and broadcasts the transaction on-chain to mint the NFT. While that's going on, I will disconnect the account and reconnect, showing how when the user returns, Intu recognizes their account and the user is logged in with the previously created unique address. The master public address for this account is 0xD3EE5, and then we can see that the token was minted to that 0xD3EE54. Because this is an MPC account, we can change the participants who contribute to it. So if later the user wanted to replace their email or add a different email to their MPC, they could. So that's the Intu account in a nutshell. Please reach out with any questions you might have.